Joining us is actor Vishal, and it's his birthday today, so many happy returns of the day. He's been going around the city to distribute welfare items to the needy. So even as you're celebrating your birthday, there's a huge controversy in the neighbouring state of Kerala over the Hema Committee report and the manner in which several junior artists, several actresses have come out in the open, spoken against very powerful men who have sexually abused them, harassed them over the years. How do you look at what is happening in Kerala?
First of all, I would like to say what has happened is happening in all industries, not just in film industry. It's happening in software, it's happening in hospitals, it's happening everywhere. Physical abuse by a girl is becoming a normal thing. A girl who passes 12th standard and joins college and then joins work will go through so much of hassles. Everyone goes through so much hassle. Nobody tells that out. So today, the Hema Commission that is formed and the necessary action is to be taken. The authenticity also has to be checked. You see, there are two ways of it. One is they come out in the open and they speak. The second one is for publicity sake, certain people will come out and speak. So what I would say is, if someone lays a hand on you, slipper them. Just take a slipper and slipper them. They will stop. They will not even think or twice to hold her again. That is what I would like to say. And please do come out in the open immediately. Not so after so many years. Come out in the open immediately. What do you worry about? What are you afraid about? The minute you give up a complaint in the police station, the police take necessary action. So why don't you come out in the open as soon as something of this sort? Because if you're allowing a man to touch you, you get a reflex. It is either consensual reflex or maybe a scared reflex. So, if you feel that you're going to be molested, come out in the open. Come out in the open or slipper him.
But, sir, can that be the only solution? Because counter violence, should that be the solution for a systemic problem like this, where women are harassed because of men who are in positions of power, and many are not comfortable coming out because of the harassment they face even after filing a complaint?
See, that is a problem. Survival. Everyone are thinking about survival. What is the future? What is the future of mine if I campaign against this powerful person? What will he do to me? What will he do to my family? There are so many. This is everything for survival. I would say survival is the word. All these girls who have been physically molested have done it only for survival. Because many people want to come into the film industry. Many people don't get a chance. So to get a chance, they have no other choice. Certain people go for it. That is a pathetic situation in what this film industry.
In that case, shouldn't there be a reform within the film industry, not just Kerala, but even in Tamil Nadu? Do you believe a similar committee should be set up to look into the working conditions of women?
The law should be stringent, ma'am. The law should be stringent. The law should say that the minute these kind of people, they go into jail and come out in 10 days, and they continue their activities. So if the law is stringent, can this have happened in Saudi Arabia? If this had happened in Saudi Arabia, the situation would have been different for a man. It's simple. So the law should also be stringent. The law should it has to help the woman to have more security. Today Nadiga Sangam is taken a decision to form a committee and make sure that if any woman who wants to give a complaint against something, to come to an address. They need an address. None of them have an address. They go back home, start cry, and they don't tell anything. They hide it within themselves, and that becomes a physical trauma. So there is therapy. There is a lot of. It's a very confused scenario. If you're allowing a man to touch a woman, the woman has every right to slap him or slipper him. That is the only way to take immediate action. He will definitely not even think of touching her again because of her boldness.
But again, not every woman can do that. You spoke about a committee that was formed by the Nadigar Sangam. What exactly will the committee look into?
The committee will look into all issues of the women in the film industry, aspiring for actresses, top actresses, everyone. The law is going to be. We are going to take it very seriously. We have to take it seriously. We have to give security to our fraternity. So that's what is the agenda, main agenda in the.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for speaking to us, sir. So that, of course, was actor Vishal speaking to India Today about the Hema Committee report that has come out in Kerala, the subsequent developments, and also saying that Nadigar Sangam will also, set up a committee to look into some of these aspects here in the Tamil film industry. With video journalist Bidesh, this is Shilpa Nair in Chennai for India Today.